Hello everyone, it's me Sayuj and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to make a Neumorphic Login Screen. So, the design is as follows. It has so many neumorphic background patterns, 2 containers for writing email and for password, and 2 buttons here, and a small forgot password button here. So, let's get started to code. For creating this design, we are using a package. For that, go to your favorite browser and search for pub.dev. There it is. Okay, let's close this and search for clay containers. Okay, go to the first link and go to installing and copy this clay containers. Copy. Now go to the project and go to the pubspec.yaml file and paste the dependencies and just press the pub.get. For that time, I will show some more best neumorphic packages that I like. Next one is Neumorphic. That's fine. Okay, this one. This is an awesome packages. It has in-depth so much widgets and we can use in many ways. So do check this out. For our design, we just need the clay container. It's easy to use the clay containers between simple codes. So let's check. Okay, its process finished. Now go to the main.dart file and remove these comments. So here and remove this. Let's remove this. Let's change the name to Neumorphic Design. Neumorphic Login. Okay. And now in the library folder, let's create a new directory and let's call that screens. Okay. In that, let's create another directory and call it as login screen. Okay. Inside the login screen, let's create a Dart file and name it as login. Screen. Okay. Let's make this as stateless widget. Name it as login string. Enter. Okay. For that, we need to import material.dart. Okay. Now go to the main.dart file and import here. Call the login screen here. Let's do the parentheses and just reload the app. Okay, now it's a black screen. Let's take the debug banner off. For that, so check debug banner to false. Okay, next let's create a constants file. For that, go to the libraries directory and name it as constants. Inside the constants, let's create a dart file, name it as also constants. In that, let's import Flutter material.dart. Next, let's code the colors here. Colors used in this app. Let's first write the color white and color and let's give a default app ID. Okay, the default padding will be const double padding equal to, let's keep it as 30 for now. Let's give it, and with a semicolon. Now let's go to the login screen and let's have a single child code view here. Oh, sorry, let's have a scaffold here first. Scaffold. Okay, let's reload the app. Okay, now it changes to white. Scaffold will have a body, and inside the body, let's give a single child code view. Single child code view has a child. Child will be container. Container which will be double. This, oh sorry, let's create another thing here which called size equal to media query dot of context dot size. Oh sorry, it's not here. Let's cut it here and paste inside this context. Very sorry to write that there. Okay, now let's make this as size dot width and height will be size dot height. Inside the container, that will be a child will be a stack. For the stack will have children. The first children will be, let's check the design. Okay, for the stack, first let's create the background design here. Okay, for that, let's name it as background design, and let's create this. and go to the login screen. Go to the login screen, create new directory called components. Inside the components, let's create a Dart file called background design. Okay, let's import atomical.dart. Let's create a stateless widget named as background. Let's name it as background design, and let's import it here. Okay, I forgot to complete, and let's import. Okay. Now let's go to here and let's get the size here also. For that, let's have size equal to media query dot of context dot size, put a semicolon. And for the container, let's change the container to stack, and stack have children, and we are going to create this. Okay, for that let's have a container. Color will be white. Height will be around, I think, size dot height 0.4. Let's check with black color. Okay, let's reload. Okay, it's here. Okay, our mainly designs is coming from here. Okay, that's perfect size. And change this again to white. And inside that, let's have a child. Again, we need a stack. Inside that, children. Let's have again a stack here. The stack inside stack, and what should we have? Okay, let's have an alignment. Alignment should be center. Let's have a children. The first children will be black container. Okay, it's not getting the black container. Let me go to the pub stack. Let's have again a pub get, and let's come back here, and let's check. Now we get black containers. No. Okay, it's so. Okay, let's import black containers. Okay, now we are imported black containers. Inside the black containers, let's give color white, and let's have a width of 20 and a height of similar to 20. Okay, let's check that. Okay, it's now here, and let's have a border radius. Let's give a big border radius so it make that circle. Okay, that's all right. Now we have to, okay, there are some color difference here. For that, let's give the background color to white. Okay, now it's gone, and we are going to create this thing. Okay, or this thing. Okay, let me check that. For that, next, let's give the depth. Okay, set depth property. Set like container, so that's 50. Okay, this will go inside. Okay, let me show some properties of Clay containers. The Clay containers has, there are several properties here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 properties exactly. We can change the height, width, we can change the color, surface color, parent color. Let's give some random things and check what's all are going here, so you can understand yourselves. Okay, now let's set the curve type to convex. Okay, curve type to convex. It's done, and let's copy this tag containers and paste it again. Copy here and paste it inside this, and let's change the width to, let's make this little bit smaller. I think it's 200. Oh, let's check the 200. Okay, yeah, let's 180. And border radius is, let's change the depth to positive 50. Okay, and we know this 3, I think, yeah, it's now that. And now we have to create again another one inside here. For that, let's copy this exact thing and paste it here, and change the to 140. Okay, let's reload the app. Okay, I think it's look good. It's okay. Again we have another one. Let's copy this and paste it here, and change this to 100. Okay, that's look good. Okay, now we have created this thing, and now we want to move this to here. For that, let's wrap this with position widget. And let's make this inside the position widget. Color these things. Will be, why I can't get this. Okay, let's try at the bottom. There will be some issues with that. Okay, here we getting. let's make this to right to 0. Yeah, let's move to right side. And okay, there are some thing going to up. For that, let's make it to top and have a minus size dot height asterisk 0.4, I think. Okay, it's entirely gone from that. I think let's do 0.6. Is that good? Okay. Let's reload the app again. I think again it's not visible. I think 0.6 is way bigger. Let's pick 0.1. Let's reload. Okay, now it's look good. Let's, I think, no, let it be 0.5. Okay, now it looks good. And next, let's have another container. Okay, let's have a container. Let's give the height to size dot height 0.4, and container we have a child with a stack we have children. Inside the children, let's create a stack, and the stack we can have children. Oh, before that, let's align this to center. Alignment to center. Okay. Now inside the children, let's have a flag container. The flag container color white, and width will be 160, height will be 160, border radius, let's go with that. Let's run this. Okay, we are going to create this one. Okay, and let's give the depth to 50. Okay, and let's give the curve type to convex. Okay, now let's have another flag container. Okay, for that let's copy and paste this and change this to 140 and 140 and give it up to minus, and let's remove this. Okay, that's look good. Okay, next we are going to create this thing. For that, let's copy and paste this container. Copy, paste, and just remove this and change this to 70 and 70 as here. Let's reload. Okay, this looks good. I think there is a shade here. For that, let's give this curve type convex to the second one also. Let's copy and paste it here. Let's reload. Okay, now it's similar. And to move little bit downwards and little bit to the left, we have to give position widget. For that, grab the stack. With a position widget. And from left, again this problem. Let's go to the bottom side and write that. Let's do left would be minus size top width 0.5 and bottom, let's do size and star 0.1. Let's reload the app and see. Yeah, it's look perfect. And now we have to create this mod container. Okay, for that let's create another container. Here the height is height star 0.4 and let's give a child will be stack will have children stack. Inside that let's have another stack. Let's have an alignment to center. And for children, the children will be the flag container, as you all know that. We are repeating the steps. Color will be white, width will be 100, height will be 100, border radius will be 100, depth will be 50. Let's do curve type 2 convex. Okay, let's reload. Okay, next let's copy and paste this again. Next change this to 80, height to 80, and let's give the depth to minus 50. Okay, that's look perfect. Now we have to change this to here. For that, as you all know, we have to use the position widget. Okay, let's wrap this with a position widget. And let's keep this. I don't know why this problem coming again and again. Let's do it better. From left will be size dot width, and let's try for 0.52. Okay, and now we have to go to the bottom. Let's do this bottom 0. Let's keep it a little bit higher instead of that time. Okay, now it's completely done. And I have doubt. I am giving this tag extra. Let's try to remove this and this widget. Okay, so yeah, in that stack. Okay, next, after completing this, we have next to do. There are some widgets here. There are two text here, two text boxes, text field boxes, and two buttons here. So let's create that. Next, let's go to the login screen and let's make the next thing. Next, we are going to create these things that's we called login credentials. This part. Okay, let's go here and name it as login credentials. Credentials. Let's create this inside the components. Let's create a new Dart file. Name it as login credentials. Let's import Flutter material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget. Name it as login credentials. Let's import the login credentials here. Then we need to get the size. For that, let's create that size equal to media query dot of context dot size and put a semicolon. And let's change this to a what we have to get. Okay, this is in the column and we have padding here. Okay, for that let's have a padding. Padding will be sets all. Let's keep that app padding. Okay, let's have this. We have a child and let's get this column. Let's make child as column. Let's give the cross axis alignment to start. Cross axis alignment dot start, and children will be first will be text. But give text to hello. Hello. Okay, though it is here, we should bring to here. For that, let's wrap this thing in the widget called position. And from the top, let's give the size dot height plus 0.3 or 4. Let's try with 0.4. Left will be 0, right will be 0. Okay, I think it's little bit lower. Let's try with 0.3. Yeah, 0.3 looks good. And let's style this. Let's give style, text style. Let's change font size to 35. Fine. Okay. Let's give the font weight to bold. Okay, that's good. Next create this. Let's get started. For that, let's copy and paste the text again. And let's change weights to let's get started. There is an apostrophe s here. For that, let's give apostrophe s. We can't give that thing here, so let's go like that. Okay. And change the font size to 20, I think. Okay. This opacity is little bit low. For that, change the color. Color will be black with opacity 0.6. Okay, it's look good. And let's change this bold to font weight W600 will be good, I think. Okay, that's perfect. I think it has little bit more. W800 will be nice. Okay, that's enough. Next, we have to create these two buttons. For that, under the text, let's create a container. Let's need the color will be white. I don't think this is needed. Let's keep the child. Child will be the container. Inside the play container, the color will be white. And the border radius will be 30. And the depth will be -30. Okay, let's check. Okay, I forgot to give it. Okay, it's not viewing because I didn't give any size and width, height and width to that. For that, let's wrap. Not wrapping. Let's give a child to this. Child will be a text field ID. Text field. And okay, there it is. Let's have, okay, first let me create this text field first. Let's have a decoration, input, decoration, hint text will be email. Let's do this border. Import border dot none. Fill color to black. Okay. We need to give this padding here. Okay. Let's give padding. Insert or symmetric, and let's give vertical. App padding. Okay, and we need some space here too. For that, let's have padding here. Let's have there is padding here. There is no padding. Symmetric, and let's hit as horizontal. Horizontal. Okay, app padding. I forgot to write that. Okay, now it's look good, and we click here. Okay, there's the cursor and there's the keyboard. All good. Okay, now let's create the second container. For easy for that, let's copy and paste this again. Copy and paste it here. Let's reload the app. Okay, that's too much space in this. I think let's remove the padding for this. Remove this widget. Okay, now that's good. Let's change the hint text to password. Password, and let's have secure text to true. What this will do is it will hide the text we are typing. As we write the password, it will be not visible. Let's press T. Yeah, like this. Okay, that's all good. Next, we have small thing to here. It is forgot password. Okay, for that, under the container, let's create a text. Will be forgot password. Let's reload the app. It's here. Let's give a small padding. And it will be symmetric. Yeah, let's do this only from top. Only from top. App padding divide by 2. Okay, that's good. And let's style this text by style, text style, and font size will be 15. Color will be black with opacity 0.6. font weight will be W600, and let's have an underline too. For that, let's give decoration text decoration dot underline. Let's reload the app. Okay, there is the underline here. As we finish here, there is the final thing. Let's create this button. This button is created by, we have a clay container here and two buttons. For that, let's go to the login screen. Let's name it as bottom container. Let's create the bottom container inside these components. Create a dot file, name it as bottom container. Bottom container. Let's import dot. Let's create stateless widget. Name it as bottom container. Let's import this bottom container here. Okay. Now we need the size to get the screen size. Let's create size equal to media query dot of context dot size and have a semicolon. Next, we have this container. We need the thing at the bottom. For that, let's wrap the container with a position widget. Inside the position widget, from bottom, let's give to 0, left to 0, right to 0. Next, for the container, let's have a child will be black container. Let's have the color to white. Height to size dot height 0.3. And let's give the depth to 680. Let's have a spread to 20. Okay. Next, let's have a custom border radius. Border radius dot only top right radius dot elliptical 350 and 250, and let's give this to top left too, so that copy paste top left. Okay, that's look good. Yeah, now we have that thing. looks good. Now we need to create these two buttons. For that, it's not here. After this, let's have a child. Child will be column. Column will have children. Let's give a sized box. Height will be based on height star 0.07, and let's create a flag container. Color will also be child. Color will be white. Depth, let's give a depth to 20. Let's give a border radius to 30. And let's give a curve height to convex. Next, let's create the text inside that. Let's have a child text. Text will be login. Login. Let's give some padding to that. Padding. Change this to symmetric. And for vertical, let's have a padding divided by 2. And for horizontal, padding. Okay, this looks good. I think the button is little bit bigger. Let's have start book. Okay, that's look good. Next, we can style the text here. This text. Let's style it by style. Text style. And the font weight will be 800. Font size will be 60. Let's 17. Okay, that's look good. And next we need this thing. For that, let's copy this text and let's paste it after the flag container. Let's give a padding to this. Padding, let's give from only from top. Top. Let's do app padding. Yeah, let's look good and change this to sign up. Yeah, sign up. And let's have final underline. Change, let's have a decoration. Decoration. Text decoration. Underline. Yeah. For that, our Neumorphic design is successfully completed. If you like this video, please like the video and share it to your friends. And for more videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.